Hey y'all, JTSpeeds here. I'm back with another one. Today on the show where I watch police chases, I react to police chases, we got GSP in pursuit of a Mercedes Benz that took him on a wild high-speed chase. Shout out to State Boys for their video. Original video will be in the description. Them cars look like they was going by pretty fast. GSP immediately whips out with the aggressiveness. And if y'all don't know, the cops catch the bad guy, I'ma clap it up for him. I'ma have a donut. You feel me? But we gotta see what GSP does to get the donut. It was something silver that went by. And I think that's the Mercedes that they're talking about in the title here. Yeah, and he's getting on the shoulder and he's gonna take off. What is that like, bro? Why do you think you could pull off from GSP? Because he's just closing in. It's a C-Class, bro? A C300, bro? Really?
Really, nigga?
He's about to pit the out of you. Where does he think he's going? Excuse me, y'all. It's 2:19. I got work at 7 in the morning. I'm gonna get about 3 hours of sleep. But shout out to y'all, bro. I'm up early morning grinding. And I'm gonna get up in the morning and grind this job, man. And I gotta put my tether on the charger. Y'all ain't expect the boy to be on the box, did you? I can't be outside. I can go outside, bro. I can go wherever I want. Except for Westland. But damn. Juked him out there. The C300 can't have that much horsepower that you feel like you can run from GSP, bro. Y'all should really get these people mental check. You know what I mean? You just going crazy, bro. The trooper just having fun with it. It seemed like he playing with him. Until he stopped playing with him and get on that quarter panel. That's when it's gonna be, you feel me? I'm gonna rock my headphones like this, like these. Smash the like button, y'all. Let's get the video to 5 likes. 5 likes, boys. And GSP's going for the pit. Oh, he didn't get the pit. Bro, that Merc was so close to getting pitted. Cop probably just doesn't want to hit anybody. Or does he? I'm really sorry for yawning like this, y'all. This isn't boring me, okay? I'm really excited to be at my desk reacting to police chases. I'm blessed, bro. This is a privilege. It's a privilege to have a C300 and still think you can run from the police. Like, bro, you're an idiot. It's the easiest donut GSP is gonna get, man. I'm just like really confused. Like, where does this guy think he's going? Georgia is like a long state, unless it's like something that maybe run through it from the side. He doing the most. No regard for the public. Maybe they'll pull out the spikes on this guy. Like, bro, taking that exit wasn't gonna do nothing for you, bro. You're cooked now. For surely cooked. You're surely cooked now, bud. And yeah, I just seen him. He wrecked out.
1050 to 28.
And he's gonna run away.
He's on foot. Black
They will
male,
hit your ass with that car, bro.
White shirt, black pants.
Feels bad.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Is there a police report? Like, why did this dummy run?
Get on the ground!
Yeah, there's a police report.
Get on the ground! Now! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get down!
Damn, so after the cop, initiated the foot pursuit with him, he got the guy at gunpoint, and then he went to holster the weapon. He grabbed the guy, and he grabbed the guy by his head to place him under arrest, and the guy punched him in the face, which resulted in the officer having a cut in his lower lip.
Stay there!
He tased him. He pulled the probe out. Okay, now they got the guy. It seemed like it was, it was a little dark. The sun really went down by the time they had got him into custody and whatnot.
Sir?
I don't condone running from the police, bro. He should have known you don't got a C633, bro. This is chill GSP, bro. Usually they're like, bro, we're about to give you a hard time. You about to have the worst day ever running from us. The cop looking for something for his boo-boo. Anyways, guys, this is what happened when you run from GSP, man. Let's clap it up for GSP, man. He shouldn't have ran. My tether is dying like a lot. I gotta go throw this thing on a charger. But he was down on power. I'm surprised he didn't get pitted. He was really lucky to not get pit maneuvered, because that's what they like to do. He had no regard for the public. He even assaulted the officer. You know what I mean? I'm just wondering what type of time these people are getting for these type of offenses, on top of punching a cop. Just dumb. I already clapped it up. If y'all want to join the Liftoff mob, hit the subscribe button. Smash the like button. It's JTSpeeds, and I'm out. Peace.
When I'm speaking facts, do you feel that shit? Yes, I get inside the pussy and I kill that shit. I've been tricking on these bitches, I got rich too quick. I just step out the condo and they see that lick. Told bro, watch my back, he got his hand on the blick. Yo, bitch came first, she got her hand on my dick. Came put down the bottle, got my hand on the fifth. You ever had that feeling, wanna jump off a cliff? I've been punching on shit, I just fucked up my fist. Shout out to my jeweler, he just flooded my wrist.